It's used in many different things. So, I'm about to burp. Welcome back to the kitchen and another episode of For Starters. This week we're going to tackle teriyaki sauce. Sauce that a lot of people like. It's used on many different things. Chicken teriyaki. If you're going to be making chicken wings for the big game this weekend, you're going to see it on a lot of those. So you have most likely all of the things that you need in your kitchen right now to make this sauce. It's very simple. Something that lasts for a long time, if you can make it last a long time. And all you have to do is just put it in a pot and bring everything to heat, strain it, and you're ready to go. So, without further ado, let's make some sauce, and then in another video, we're going to show you how to use that sauce in a couple different ways. So, let's go over to the stove. On the stove, I'm going to take my pot, medium-sized pot, put it over medium heat. Into that, I'm going to add 1 cup of soy sauce. Your choice, regular, low sodium. Then to that, I'm going to add a cup of white sugar. To that, I'm going to take about 1 inch of fresh ginger that I've grated and a teaspoon and a half of brown sugar. I'm going to add now 6 crushed cloves of garlic and 1 piece of whole cinnamon stick, about 1/4 teaspoon of cracked pepper, and then about 1 tablespoon of pineapple juice. Give that a stir. And then all we're going to do is just bring this to a very low simmer, even if that. All I want to do is start to heat the sauce. I want to melt the sugar, get that all incorporated, and then start to let all of those flavors melt together. So you can go ahead and thicken it, and then you can keep it in the fridge. That way it's just ready to go. I used to do this, but anymore I just leave it. So I'll just strain it and add it straight to the can as you see here, and you're ready to go.